But your mother, you give a reference to your mother in this book saying that we kept quiet though in certain conversation which were about how India has changed and stuff. As our mother had advised us to, she would often quote Lord Krishna to us, and one of the lessons we learned from Lord was pick your battles with wisdom, fight from a position of strength. Lord Krishna said this, like, no two things about it. The question that I have in my mind, which is nagging me, is in the world, which is a battlefield, powerful people and less powerful people. Having said that, a needle would become powerful when the need of the needle is there, and the sword will become powerful because it is a sword. When Lord Krishna says this, and in the real world, if you have strength, then my understanding of life, please help me correct that understanding or enrichen that understanding, which I believe would be understanding of a lot of people, naive people like me. If you are on the side of strength, then you will naturally not face too many struggles. Because especially in the corporate world, what happens is when you are on the side of strength, you are powerful. Then of course you are powerful. Nobody is going to mess with you. The messing up happens with people who are less powerful. So in the given situation, something happens to me because I am not in the position of power. Two options in front of me. Do I wait then to come in the position of power and then take what generally people would say is a revenge, or now her time has come or his time has come? Or do I choose to be peaceful? What should be my dharma thinking when I'm not in the position of power?
Wouldn't the genius of our stories is they break away from the bounds of good and bad. You know,
Yeah.
ये सही है वो गलत है ये इंसान सही वो इंसान there were positives in the Kauravas and there were weaknesses in the Pandavas, very clear. And yet, if at the end of Mahabharata, had the Pandavas lost,
bilkul. We can't see heroes losing.
So the thing is, but it breaks away from the bonds of good and bad. Duryodhana was a magnificent man also. He was very generous. He was a better eldest brother than Yudhishthir was. Dushasan, he earned Dushasan's respect much more than Yudhishthir was able to earn the respect, especially the.
Yeah.
So, good and bad is not so bad. And I think our, texts and our way of life teaches us that do what is best for that circumstance. Lord Krishna himself is also called Ranchorji,
Yeah.
So leave the battlefield, live to fight another day. That's what Lord Krishna did.
Live
when winning is not possible.
Oh.
If the choice is between dying, and running away, live to fight another day. Right?
Correct.
That's what Lord Krishna himself, taught us. Ranchoji hai, right? Shakuni also had a story. We can learn from even Shakuni. Shakuni teaches us that tactical loyalty is sometimes important. When you don't have a choice, being tactically loyal, it may be cunning, but it may help you survive. So and only a person who's in a situation knows how to handle that situation. When you're in a tough situation, our inner biology tells us fight, flight, or freeze.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
What does that mean? When it's a survival situation, I either freeze or I flee or I fight. But Dr. Pete Walker talks about the fourth, which is in a situation of challenge, fight, freeze, flee, or fall.
Oh.
Yeah. चुमची बन जाओ, survive तो करो.
This is something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Live and fight another day. Because really, why should life be fair to me? Life is fair to nobody.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Life is fair to nobody. Why should it be fair to me? Unfairness is in the very engineering of life. It's a design fact. Life is unfair. And when life is unfair, then strength respects strength.
Very much so.
You want respect, become strong. You know, and becoming strong is not chutki bajai strong ho gaya na.
Yeah.
Right? It's effort. And it's managing your mind correctly. Where wisdom comes in.
Yeah. Absolutely.
You've got to be able to make wise decisions.
Yeah.
And learn from our ancestors and our stories. You know, these are ye bhandar hai.
Yeah.
ज्ञान का ही नहीं, विवेक का, you know, भंडार है अपने पास. कैसे जीना है, ये कहानी हमें सिखाती है.
True.
इन्हें बोझे.